I'm Howard Stephen Berg, and I'm the world's fastest reader. And the time it takes you to read a sentence, I could read an entire page, and another as well. So fast that I'm the only person to ever have a reading claim published in a Guinness World Record book. And that was in 1990, and in all that time, no one has ever beaten my reading claim. Absolutely no one. I'm still the world's fastest reader. And for the past 30 years, I've been training Fortune 500 companies like Mobil Oil, Rockwell International, Prudential Realty, and Pfeiffer and Company. I was the spokesperson for Optus Phone Company for their 4G launch in Australia, and also for the Sony e-reader in the US with Justin Timberlake and Peyton Manning. And now, I'm excited to be coming to Bangkok to empower you to use my world-respected learning system at the upcoming Memory Genius Conference. My first book published by Time Warner, Super Reading Secrets, is in its 28th reprint, and Barron's Books requested me to write Speed Reading the Easy Way for students. I also co-founded a school where our students as young as 11 years old were taught my innovative learning system. The result? They were able to ace college courses in as little as a week by taking advanced placement exams. You might be wondering, just how powerful is my program? It's the highest grossing learning program offered on TV in history, with over 65 million in sales and millions of successful users just like you. Business people, educational institutions, students, governmental agencies, and others around the world are benefiting from my innovative and highly effective techniques. So you might be asking yourself, what benefits will I attain during this seminar? In the first few minutes, I'll share a breakthrough secret that will triple the amount of information you learn during any live event. Just think about the added value you get from every training, including mine. Next, I'll share an easy-to-learn strategy for dramatically increasing your reading speed, and even more importantly, understanding what you read, so you can use that information when you need it. You'll quickly see why Fortune 500 companies are using my innovative ideas to maximize profits, increase productivity, amplify innovation, and get more time for the things that matter. And why educational institutions are empowering their students with my cutting-edge learning techniques to raise test scores, get exemplary learning, and happier students who retain and recall the information when they need it. I've even created a solution for eliminating writer's block that enabled my students to write 28-page papers at the graduate school level. Now, that's amazing. You'll quickly see the advantages that Thai students will attain by using these skills and how they will raise Thailand's global educational rankings. Then, you'll be riveted by my breakthrough strategies for advanced problem solving, emotional intelligence, and using the intuition on demand. It's so powerful that the U.S. Special Forces have asked me to train their troops on this technique to gain a strategic edge. Using this strategy in your organization will be a game changer. Now, if you knew for certain that you could experience all these benefits, you'd be sure to attend my live event. In fact, a scientific double-blind study proved that an average individual could read 100 to 400% faster with outstanding comprehension using my system. You need to know that I'm more than just a speaker or trainer. Your success matters to me. I believe that when you're given a special ability, you have the responsibility for using that ability to help create a better world. I also believe the 21st century is going to be Asia's century, and I've witnessed Thailand's incredible economic growth. I would be honored to share what I've learned about super fast learning to help accelerate your nation's phenomenal growth to the next level. Join me in Bangkok for my live presentation.